Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Second half of play has begun. 21-11. Kylie with the shot, first shot attempt of the half. Just hits the front of the rim. Breakers with a 10-point lead here over the Blizzard. Oh, and she just gets it to drop, bounces around there over the hand of Kylie for the basket. 21-13. Pass from Lex to Hannah. Ends up getting taken right back by the Blizzard. And they come right down court. Missed their three-point attempt. Breakers with another pass. Doesn't work out in their favor. Need to tighten up the passing here. 21-13, 14 minutes, 50 seconds remaining in the game. Great pass underneath for the basket. 21-15 now. Breakers up by 6. Got to come to her. Set a screen. Hannah misses. Javi there for the putback. And Javi hits another basket. 23-15 now. Lex steals the ball back for the Breakers. She finds Hannah down. Hannah loses control of that pass. They turn it right over. Marin in the game for Hannah. 14 minutes remaining in this game. Breakers up by 8. 23-15. Lex with another steal. And a basket. Breakers back up by 10. Couple quick hands by the Breakers. Gets the ball right back. And Juliana gets fouled while going up with it. She'll step to the line to shoot 2. Juliana drops the first. Puts the Breakers up by 11, 26-15. And she hits the second. 27-15 now. Breakers up by 12 over the Blizzard here in Game 3 in the Zero Gravity Tournament here in Massachusetts. We are at Thayer Sports Arena in Braintree. And the tough defense by the Breakers causes another turnover. Javi misses her shot. Marin's there for the putback and misses that. Javi gets the rebound and fights and struggles to try to rip the ball out of her hands. So we get a jump ball. And the Blizzard inbounds the ball here from the baseline, trailing by 12. More substitutions here by the Breakers. We have Juliana, Marin, Caitlin, Mackenzie, and Javi in the game. Little floater there by the Blizzard to bring him within 10 now. Bria comes in the game for Javi as we go to get that ball. Rolled all the way down the court into the other game. Lizards ball down by 10, 27-17.
I just want it on the record that it was Marin's fault that we were late. She said same place as yesterday.
All right, folks, there you have it. That's the inside scoop. Kevin is declaring it's his daughter's fault, not his. Nice strip by McKenzie. Breakers inbound the ball. Juliana gets the ball in the corner for the three. Just in and out. Marin there for the putback. Goes out of bounds off the breakers. Still 27-17. Breakers up by 10. That shot is short. McKenzie called for the foul. Right? Was it McKenzie? Caitlin called for the foul. Okay, Caitlin called for the foul. The Blizzard hits the first of two. And number 2 for the Blizzard looking to hit the second one. They're down 27-18. 10.5 minutes to go. She gets them both to fall. 27-19 now. 8-point lead for the Breakers. Caitlin bounces back up after that trip. She's inbounding the ball from the baseline now for the Breakers. Breakers inbound yet again, up by 8. Jump ball. Breakers get it back. Marin heads down court. Finds McKenzie all alone. And McKenzie hits the basket. Breakers back up by 10 with just under 10 minutes to go in this game. Nine and a half minutes remaining, folks. 29-19. And the Blizzard hits a 3 now to put them within 7. Kenzie all alone for an easy basket. 31-22 now. 9-point game here. Caitlin and Bria come out of the game. We have Hannah and Lex in the game, joining Marin, Mackenzie, and Calla. 8:45 remaining, 31-22. Hannah called for the travel. We have a timeout here, folks. 8 minutes, 34 seconds remaining in this game. These 8th grade Breaker girls with a 9-point lead over these 9th grade girls from the Blizzard. Breakers looking to go 3-0 in this 9th grade division, playing up, going into the championship at 2:30. All right, folks. Gameplay is about to resume. Blizzard ball here. 8.5 minutes to go. Trailing by 9 to the Breakers. Marin heads down court and hits the basket. 33-22. Breakers up by 11 with 8 minutes to go. Mackenzie with the rebound, gets it over to Hannah. Kylie and Juliana enter the game for Marin and Mackenzie. Wow. Calla called for the foul. Blizzard goes to the line, the shoot two, trailing by 11 with 7 minutes remaining. She hits the first. And she hits the second. 33-24. That pass is picked off. And the Blizzard hits another basket, make it 33-26 now. There we go. Foul by the Blizzard. 6:40 remaining on the clock. 7-point lead for the Breakers. Jump ball goes to the Blizzard. Trying to cut into that 7-point deficit they have. And they did just that. They're down by 5 now. And another turnover. And the Blizzard down by 3. They have made it a game, folks. 6 minutes remaining, 33-30.
You guys stopped at Dunkin'.
That's because we went to the right location. We had time. Yeah, that's why when you walked up, I was pointing to the scoreboard. They stole it 2-3 times already. Put them right back in it. 6 minutes, 4 seconds remaining in this game. Calla to inbound the ball from the baseline for the Breakers. Breakers leading by 3. Javi, Calla, Juliana, Marin, and Kylie. I think I got everybody there just in case. Calla, Javi, Marin, Kylie, and Juliana. Juliana with the rebound. Finds Marin. Just misses that shot. The Blizzard heads up court with 5:20 remaining in this game, trailing by only 3 now. Kylie and Marin team up for that double team there. Kylie just loses control of the ball there. Five minutes remaining, still 33-30. Marin gets a hand in on that pass. Hopefully these girls are getting all the mistakes out of the way now. We don't need these at 2:30. That's for sure. Nice pass down to Juliana. And a nice left-handed layup. 35-30 now. Juliana tosses it to Caitlin, who finds Javi in the paint. Nothing called there. Jump ball remains with the Breakers. 4 minutes left to go in this game. Nice inbound pass to Marin, who comes just short. Breakers up by 5. Blizzard heads down court, misses their shot attempt. Marin just misses that 3. Foul called on the Blizzard. 3:10 remaining. 5-point lead by the Breakers. Down to Javi, who gets fouled while going up with it. 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining on the clock. Javi to the line to shoot 2. Just short on the first. Just misses the second as well. Javi just misses that 3. Oh, they got her by the neck. Cal, Alex, Marin, Juliana, and Caitlin are in the game with 2.5 minutes to go. Breakers ball. He said it went off the knee of one of the Blizzard players. She hits a 2. 35-32. Breakers up by 3 with 2 minutes remaining. Lex called for the foul. Number 17 for the Blizzard goes to the line. The little one's calling me. She hit 2 of them, looking to hit the 3rd. This could tie it up, folks. She ties it up by hitting all 3. 1.5 minutes remaining. That's a push. Thank you. Minute 28 remaining in this game. We are tied 35 apiece. Caitlin hits a 3. 38-35. All right, we'll call her after the game. 38-35, 1 minute remaining. Breakers up by 3. After that 3-pointer by Caitlin, they respond with a 3 of their own to tie it back up. Breakers Blizzard trading blow for blow here in the last couple minutes of the game. There's a foul. What are we at? 1-1 yet? Hold on. They're looking. 6 instead of 5. 6.
Still low. Oh, per person, but I meant before 1-1.
No, why?
Because yesterday we had the other team had 12 fouls.
Nice spin by Marin. Just doesn't fall. Breakers inbound again from the baseline. Still tied at 38. 33 seconds remaining. I call Caitlin for the foul there. 31 seconds on the clock now. 38 apiece. Timeout, Breakers. 21 seconds on the clock. Tied at 38 apiece. All right, folks. Coach McKenzie called the timeout for the Breakers. What once was a significant lead for these Breaker girls has now become a tie. 21 seconds remaining in the game. We are tied at 38 apiece. Breakers inbound the ball. Juliana drives, misses. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5. What happened? Timeout with 6 seconds remaining. Looks like we'll be going into overtime. Cut into that hour and 45-minute break we got in between. Good news is Kevin won't get lost in between games if that happens.
I'm actually going to see my friend's kid play at another location.
Hope you leave Marin here.
I was going to leave Marin. Yeah,
Leave Marin here, please. We don't want you to accidentally drop her off and. I don't know. I've lost track. My assistant isn't writing it down. Yeah, she thinks it's just a toy, exactly. She don't realize the responsibility that's placed on me with this broadcast.
Once you started, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody's waiting for that. Look for that.
Yeah, most definitely. The Blizzard to inbound the ball here, folks. 6 seconds on the clock. Lex with the steal. Juliana just misses that shot at the buzzer. We are going into overtime. 2 minutes. She only had 2 seconds left. She had to put it up. She barely got it off before the buzzer anyway. We are tied here, folks. 38 apiece. Here in Braintree. Third game of this tournament here for the Zero Gravity Tournament. Breakers playing up in 9th grade. 38 apiece against the Blizzard. Going into overtime. Overtime about to begin, folks. Coach McKenzie puts in Marin, Lex, Kala, Juliana, and Caitlin. Here in overtime. 2 minutes. Jump ball.
How does that work?
Jump ball.
Oh, I guess they got it. Oh, I was going to say.
Yeah, because they don't know who had possession first. You have to jump it again. Breakers win the second tip-off of overtime here. And Caitlin drives and drops the basket. 40-38. Minute and a half remaining in overtime now. They called Caitlin for the foul there. Minute 24 remaining here in overtime. Blizzard, Breakers. She kisses it off the glass to tie it back up. 40 apiece. Blizzard picks that pass off, heads up court. Calla called for the foul. And number 17 of the Blizzard goes to the line to shoot two. Tied at 40 apiece here. 54 seconds remaining in overtime. She hits the first. Let's put a little English on that ball. Did you see the spin move on that? 41-40 Blizzard. Now up by one. Now up by two. 42-40. 50 seconds remaining. Travel called. (42-40). Inbounds to Marin. Caitlin just misses that one. The ref's looking into something here, folks. Huh? Who did? Oh, did she? Caitlin has fouled out. Javi is in the game. Juliana commits the foul. 22 seconds remaining now. Breakers down by two. Seconds remaining. 42-40. Breakers are down by two.
Does this team have a chance?
No.
No. They're out.
They had to beat us by 19 or 20.
Well, I didn't know if they had a chance of being in instead of the others.
The point differential is so huge.
Yeah.
They had to win and beat us by 20 to knock us out. Or knock the other one out. I forget. Wait, no, probably knock the other one out. So it might have been better to let them beat us by 20. Then we played them in championship.
Okay.
What are we taking? Oh, well. We'll play it straight up. Eight seconds remaining in the game now. That was a quick 3 seconds, huh? They just want to get this game over with. That was not 3 seconds. That was 1. Anyway, she's shooting 1 and 1. 5 seconds on the clock. They're up by 2. Just misses.
3. Shoot.
2 seconds on the clock. Breakers call a timeout. Trailing by 2. They need to pass it and shoot it.
Take a 3 so that it ends no matter what.
Wow, take a 3. This coming from Kevin, the cheerleader Nerdy.
Don't go to tie it up. Take a 3.
Kevin wants to win. 3 or wait till 2:30.
That's what
Would have lost. We're playing 2:30 regardless. So he said either go for the win or just don't shoot it and wait till 2:30.
Why, if we win, what does it matter?
Why not go for the win? If he's saying don't go to tie it and extend the game longer,
Oh, yeah.
just go for the win. I have to say I tend to agree. Why extend it for another 2 minutes? Win or lose, just get out of here. Kevin's hungry.
I mean, I haven't had my coffee.
He hasn't even had his coffee yet. Poor guy is like falling asleep behind the wheel over here. Just for crying out loud. A kid came running on the court to grab a loose ball.
We're getting close to 5 seconds there anyway. So it must be a good thing.
That might be a good thing, yes. And that's the end of the game, folks, with a final score of 42-40. The Blizzard beats the Breakers here, Game 3 in the Zero Gravity Tournament. Thanks for watching. Unfortunately, they lose, but I hope you enjoyed the game. We'll see you back here in a couple hours for the championship.